Wake up your body, mind, and energy in just 10 minutes. This beginner-friendly yoga flow combines gentle strength and deep stretches. Feel refreshed, empowered, and ready to conquer the day. No equipment, no pressure. Just you, your breath, and the mat. Good morning and welcome to your 10-minute yoga flow. This short session is perfect to stretch your body and build light strength. Whether you're a complete beginner or easing back into yoga, you're in the right place. Take a moment to sit comfortably on your mat. Close your eyes, place your hands on your knees, and take a deep breath in. Let's set the intention. I begin my day with energy, strength, and peace. As we move through this flow, listen to your body, take pauses when needed, and keep your breath steady. Let's begin with a gentle warm-up to wake up the body. Begin in a comfortable cross-legged seat. Inhale, lift your arms overhead, stretching toward the sky. Exhale, bring your hands down slowly to your heart center. Gently drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Feel the stretch through the left side of your neck and shoulder. Switch sides after a few breaths, maintaining a soft jaw. Now place your hands on your knees and begin torso circles. Move slowly in one direction, feeling the stretch in your lower back. After a few rounds, reverse the direction and breathe deeply. Come onto your hands and knees in tabletop position. Align your wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Spread your fingers wide for balance and grounding. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, pulling your navel toward your spine, cat pose. Repeat slowly for 5 rounds, moving with the rhythm of your breath. This flow warms up your spine and activates your core. Let your breath guide each movement fully. Feel your body waking up with each gentle wave. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips into downward facing dog. Press your heels toward the mat and your hands firmly into the floor. Don't worry if your knees are bent. Focus on lengthening the spine. Begin to pedal out your feet slowly. Bend one knee while straightening the other to stretch the calves. Alternate side to side, keeping the breath smooth and steady. Downward dog strengthens the arms and stretches the legs. It energizes the body and clears the mind. Stay here for a few more breaths and enjoy the feeling. Step your right foot forward between your hands. Lower your left knee to the mat and lift your arms overhead. You're now in a low lunge. Feel the hip flexor stretch. Inhale deeply, then exhale and bring both hands down inside your foot. Gently press your hips forward, staying tall through your spine. If it feels good, sway slightly side to side to loosen up. Now tuck your back toes and lift the knee off the mat. Hold this high lunge for 2 deep breaths to build strength. Lower the knee again and switch sides with control. Step back into a modified plank on your knees. Keep your core engaged and body in a straight line. Lower down slowly to your belly using arm strength. Place your palms under your shoulders and elbows close in. Inhale, lift your chest gently into cobra pose. Keep your hips grounded. Exhale, lower back down with control and repeat 3 more times. This builds back strength and opens the chest. If cobra feels too strong, try lifting only your head and shoulders. Stay aware of your breath and avoid tension in the neck. Come to a seated position with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale, reach your arms up toward the sky. Exhale, fold forward from the hips, reaching toward your toes. Keep your back long and avoid rounding your spine. It's okay if you can't touch your feet. Hold your shins or knees. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings and lower back. Stay here for a few breaths, letting your body relax. This pose calms the nervous system and improves flexibility. Release tension with each breath you exhale. Lie back on your mat with both knees bent. Draw your knees into your chest and hug them gently. Now, drop both knees to the right as your arms extend wide. Turn your head to the left if it's comfortable. This gentle twist relaxes the spine and massages your organs. Take 3 deep breaths here and allow your body to melt. Bring your knees back to center and switch to the other side. Keep your shoulders grounded and let gravity do the work. Feel a wave of calm moving through your entire system. Extend your legs out and arms by your sides. Welcome to Savasana. Let your feet fall open naturally and palms face up. Close your eyes and take a deep cleansing breath. Let your body sink into the mat with full surrender. Feel the energy you've built and the space you've created. This moment is yours. Peaceful, still, and present. Stay here for as long as you need, breathing deeply. When you're ready, slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Roll to your side and press up to a seated position. Thank yourself for showing up for your body and mind today. This short practice may seem simple, but it carries big benefits. You've stretched, strengthened, and grounded your energy. Repeat this practice daily or a few times a week. It's a powerful way to start your mornings with intention. As you go forward, carry this sense of calm and strength with you. Bring your hands to heart center in a gesture of gratitude. Inhale deeply and exhale fully.